Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Tires Plus app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Tires Plus is a mobile app designed to make managing your automotive needs easier. It allows users to browse tires and auto products, schedule installations, track service appointments, and access promotions and discounts, all from one convenient interface. The app also includes location-based store searches and service reminders to keep you on top of vehicle maintenance. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app for its intuitive design, quick navigation, and seamless booking experience. It makes scheduling tire services or tracking appointments straightforward and efficient. Users also find the promotions and discounts feature valuable for saving money on services and products. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional loading delays, limited payment options, and minor glitches when updating service appointments. Additionally, certain features may be less functional in areas with fewer participating stores, which could limit the app's usefulness for some users. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Tires Plus app may be worth using if you want a mobile-friendly, all-in-one solution for managing tire services and auto maintenance. It shines in convenience, ease of booking, and access to discounts. However, if you need more payment flexibility or live in an area with limited store coverage, the app may feel somewhat limited. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.